Welcome. You are about to embark on a calming inner journey, a guided meditation designed to gently guide your mind and body into a deep, soothing state of relaxation. Over the next few minutes, you'll drift into a peaceful space of stillness, clarity, and gentle awareness. All you need to do is follow the sound of my voice and the rhythm of your breath. This time is yours. There is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing else you need to do. Let yourself fully arrive in this moment. Let this be your sanctuary. You may choose to close your eyes now, or simply soften your gaze. There's no right or wrong. Just follow whatever feels most natural for you. And know that at any time, you are in complete control. If you ever feel the need to pause or return to your day, all you need to do is open your eyes and come back gently. Let's begin with the breath. Take a deep, slow inhale. And exhale fully. Again, breathe in deeply, allowing fresh, cool air to fill your lungs. And breathe out, releasing any tension you may be carrying. Feel the breath begin to guide you, gently, effortlessly, into a slower, calmer rhythm. With each inhale, invite clarity and calm into your body. With each exhale, let go of tightness, of thought, of tension, of anything you no longer wish to hold. Now begin to listen. The soft sound of waves in the background is here to support you. Let the rhythm of the ocean carry your thoughts away, like leaves drifting down a gentle stream. It's natural for thoughts to arise. You don't need to resist them. Simply notice and let them pass, returning your attention to the waves and to your breath. Breathe in deeply and breathe out completely. Allow each wave to pull you further into peace. Let your body begin to soften. Let your muscles grow heavy. Let your thoughts grow quiet. Feel how your chest rises and falls with the breath, just like the tide. If you haven't already, gently close your eyes now. Let yourself surrender even more to the stillness that's unfolding. The sound of the ocean is not just around you. It's within you, a rhythm older than thought. A rhythm you can trust. Now, as you settle deeper, I will guide you down into even deeper relaxation by counting from 5 to 1. With each number, you'll feel yourself sinking safely, gently, into profound stillness. 5. Your body begins to unwind. You feel supported and safe. 4. Your thoughts slow down like clouds drifting across a calm sky. 3. You feel more connected to your breath, your heart, the moment. 2. Your mind is still clear, open. 1. You are fully present in a state of complete peace. You have arrived in deep relaxation. Let yourself remain here in this quiet, nourishing stillness. Feel the spaciousness around you and within you. Let the sound of the waves continue to soothe you. Let them wash over you like a soft tide, relaxing every cell in your body. There's nothing to do here but be, to breathe, to rest, to receive. Take these next moments just for you. Let yourself enjoy the stillness, the softness, the serenity. If thoughts arise, gently return to the breath. Inhale peace, exhale release. As this journey nears its close, know that you can return to this place of calm whenever you need. It lives within you. It is always accessible through your breath, your awareness, your choice to pause. You may choose to remain in this relaxed state for a while longer after this recording ends. If so, simply stay where you are, floating in stillness. But if you're ready to return to the day, do so gently. Begin by taking a few slow, conscious breaths. Start to bring small movements back into your body, wiggling your fingers, your toes, perhaps gently rolling your shoulders or your head. Stretch if it feels good. And when you're ready, only when you're ready, open your eyes. Let the light return slowly. Carry this peace with you into whatever comes next. You've done something beautiful for yourself. You are calm. You are present. You are well.